Hello all you beautiful creative souls. Today I'm going to show you how to make silk flowers dipped in plaster, and they're really pretty on a piece of art or whatever you want to do with them. You can put them around a frame, put them around a mirror. They're just really beautiful and they're fun and easy to make. So the first thing you're going to want to do is buy some cheap silk flowers. I got these at Walmart, the 12 whole bunch, and they were like $3 or $4. So you're going to want to cut them off and then take all of these little these leaves off. The next thing you have to do is you have to mix the plaster of Paris, cement or something. And this is the really hard part of the whole project because it only stays wet for 5 minutes. So you have to have the right amount that you're going to be using, and you have to have your flowers, everything ready to go, because you don't want to dilly-dally around because it'll get hard on you. 1, 2, 3. That came off of here. You're going to want to wear gloves, and you're going to want to cover all your surfaces because this stuff is really messy and nasty. If you get it on something, it's not going to come off. Okay, we're going to go with 2 parts to 1 part. And now I've got it mixed, and it's kind of thick. It's like pretty thick. Then I bent the flower tip at the end so that I could hang it because it's better to hang these afterwards. Oh, let's see how we do. You're going to want to get that green part on the bottom too. I got it all covered. So now I'm dipping the leaves that I pulled off of the stem, and you're going to want to dip them and then lay them on wax paper so they don't stick because you can't really hang them, and lay them where they're kind of curved up, not completely flat. That way when you put them on your canvas or on your mirror or on your picture frame, they'll kind of be raised up and it'll give it some texture and dimension. After 24 hours, they will be ready to go. You can hot glue them to a canvas, to a mirror, to a picture frame. You can make a mermaid's tail out of them. You can, the sky's the limit. You can paint them or not. You can do all different things. In my next video, I'll show you what I did with them. Thanks for watching.